In primetime news this evening.
I'm waiting by the cameras to watch the leader of the opposition apologize for such an aggressively erroneous statement.
Agriculture Minister hits back at opposition over RADA Farm Road program. PNP President concerned that ordinary man not reaping benefits of booming tourism sector. And the Jamaican patois debate intensifies.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, legislators are again moving to update old laws, and this time it's the Customs Act. But some stakeholders are not pleased with the changes. I'll have the details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen for what's coming up in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, the West Indies have been enjoying their Indian tour, and on Friday morning, just Jamaica time, of course, they go in search of another win. We'll tell you more about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what changes have you made so far in anticipation of the impending ban on styrofoam containers?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.